Connecticut Emergency Management Association is providing an update for us just on where our stockpile stands, and Fox 61's Taylor DiChello reports.
On February 26th, Fox 61 News brought you the story of the Connecticut Emergency Management Association calling on Governor Lamont to tap into the National Strategic Stockpile to get medical supplies for covering the coronavirus. Now, more than a month later, Governor Lamont has shut down schools and non-essential businesses, but the need for medical supplies is still there.
A little disturbing today to find out that the National Strategic Stockpile is now empty. We did get 50 ventilators, for which I'm very thankful, but for now we are on our own, and for now we are working our heart out, scouring the globe for PPE.
Governor Lamont's somber message to the public on March 31st. Just over a month after the Connecticut Emergency Management Association asked for him to get needed medical supplies from the federal government.
When we initially asked for assistance, the entire public safety community asked for assistance in receiving personal protective equipment. There was not any personal protective equipment being distributed at that time. Since then, there have been a couple of distribution points around the state for first responders, but the supplies that we're getting are either limited in size or all the materials that we're receiving are expired.
President Trump Tuesday evening saying the national stockpile is not depleted.
Well, it's not empty. Let me explain something. What we do, and I thought I said it accurately, I certainly meant to, rather than having it brought into the stockpile, where appropriate, other than certain things like we have quite a few of the ventilators, which is not a lot when you look at the whole country. Actually, it sounds like a lot, almost 10,000. But we're trying to have supply sent directly to the states.
Connecticut received 50 ventilators, but other orders that were supposed to arrive are on back order. Regardless of whether the stockpile is currently depleted, supplies are running out.
We are pleased to report that we feel that the leaders of the state of Connecticut are working as hard as they possibly can with federal and private partners to get us and hospital staff the personal protective equipment that we truly need to help save lives.
For people looking to wear masks in public, President Trump told people to wear scarves or other fabrics over their faces to save masks for medical professionals.
I do think people can improvise, right? So a scarf, a handkerchief, something like that. If they choose to do that, if they feel safer doing that, then they certainly should do that. But after we're through this disaster, I'm hoping that the supplies that should have been there will be there again for the country, for the state, for every local city and town that needs them during a public health crisis.
Hospitals are still accepting donations for masks, gowns, and gloves that you may have at home. To see where you can donate, head to our website at fox61.com. Taylor DiChello, Fox 61 News.